So I have to start this video off by saying if you are a family member or a friend of mine that I usually give a gift to for Christmas, please don't watch this video because you will probably figure out what I'm giving you for Christmas. So please don't watch this if you think I'm giving you a Christmas gift this year. So I can only assume that pretty much everyone you know owns a cell phone. I know some people don't, but most people do, and a lot of times people use cases on their phones, and a lot of times those cases get dirty and old and they break and they need new ones. So a great idea for Christmas is to get a new phone case. This one here is from Berga. They sent it to me to show you guys, and they also sent me a code to get you guys 15% off. So use the code FALLON15 if you want 15% off your order until January 31st. Yeah, they sent this to me to show you guys. I think the pattern is cute. They have hard shell cases, they have like more protective cases, and they have like a buttload of different designs to choose from, and they're also super affordable, and they have a bunch of different like phone sizes and styles to pick from. So if you know anyone on your list that needs a phone case, definitely check those out. I will leave them linked in the description box below. Going along with the phone case, Berga also sent me a laptop case, and I know a lot of you guys use MacBooks. A lot of my friends and family use MacBooks. Some of them don't have a cover on their MacBook, and I think covers are super fun. They can add color, but they can also add protection to your MacBooks. So Berga also sent me this MacBook cover. It is freaking cute. It matches the phone case. It would make like such a cool gift if you gave someone both of these together, because then they'd have matching MacBook and phone cases. How cool is that? You can also use the code FALLON15 to get 15% off MacBook cases, which is freaking cool. And again, they have like all kinds of different designs. They have matching ones, they have different ones, they have marble, they have like flowers, like all kinds of different prints you guys can choose from. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below. I picked one that matches because I think that is such a cool, I don't know, especially where they're like, if like you have an Apple phone and an Apple computer, I just think it's a cool idea to have a matching phone case with a matching laptop case. So if you guys are interested in checking those out, I will leave them in the description box below for you guys. If you have anyone on your list that's super into skincare, I would definitely recommend to try gifting a spin care system. There's all kinds of different ones of these. This one here that I'm showing is by Duval. If you guys checked out my night routine, you would have seen this already, but I've been using it lately and I'm obsessed. Like when you use it in the morning, it just like sets your face like perfectly like nice and smooth for like a good face of makeup. So if you have anyone on your list that likes to use a lot of makeup or that just likes to use a lot of skincare, this is a perfect gift for them. You can get like the high-end ones, the Clarisonic. Avon sells one. You can get them at like Shoppers. Like try a drugstore if you want a cheaper version, or there's also more expensive versions that you can find from like brand names, but I would definitely recommend to grab one of these for someone on your list. I think I may have mentioned this next one in my last gift guide video, but I mean, Lush is literally a given. There's so many affordable options. They have like just like the single bath bombs, bubble bars, soap, face care, like shampoos, like everything you can think of, but they also have like gift packs, which is kind of cool too, which like range from a bunch of different prices. So depending on what your price range is, you can get them a little bit more, a little bit less, or you can pick out specific individual ones specifically for people on your list. And I think that's really cool, and they smell so good. And who doesn't like getting bath products for Christmas? I do not know a single person that does not like getting body wash for Christmas. Like not a single person. My personal favorite is Bath & Body Works, but obviously you can get these from anywhere. Just Bath & Body Works I just really like the flavors, but you can get like different ones at Walmart, Shoppers, different drugstores, Target if you live in the States. And these are really great like little add-ons you can add onto your gift or use as a stocking stuffer, or you can get like gift sets as well if you want to make it like the entire gift. Okay, so a lot of people in the past couple of years, as well as I'm sure this year, have been asking for the Instax mini cameras or the Polaroid cameras or the Fujifilm like wide cameras or the square ones. If you know anybody that like already has one of those cameras, they want film. I'm telling you right now, they want film. That's something that you always need with those cameras, because they come in packs of like 10 and 20, and then you use them all up, and then you're just like, wow, I can't use this camera unless I have more film. So get them film. I'm telling you to get them film. If you love those cameras, you need film. It's just a given. You need it. So for the sentimental people on your list that like looking at old pictures, old home videos, like they just like to reminisce about old times, you should try making a photo book. It's super easy. There's tons of different websites you can use. You can do it right from your phone. You can do it from a computer. You can even upload pictures straight from Facebook, which is really cool. It's like so easy and they are actually so affordable. There's tons of different sales going on right now, like for Christmas and stuff, so you can get something super cool for super affordable. You just like import the pictures, design the book, and then pay for it, and then they send it to you in the mail. I got this one from York Photo and it was on a really good sale, and I know the people that I'm giving this to are going to freaking love it. It's such a good like little souvenir thing, like of a specific memory. My sister always gives these to my mom and my nan of pictures of my niece, of her growing up and stuff like that, because I feel like people don't really print out pictures anymore and put them in albums, so this is like kind of like a better way to do it. It's kind of like digital scrapbooking in a way, and I don't know, I just think it's a really cool gift for someone that's a little bit more sentimental and wants photos. So DIYing something is always fun to give like as a Christmas gift, and something that you can do is actually go to like a pottery painting place and you can paint something really cool. Like you can paint an ornament, like a plate. There's literally endless like amounts of pottery that you can paint, and you basically just like go into the places and you paint them, and then they fire them and they kind of glossy and nice. And I don't know, I think that's a really cool gift for someone that like doesn't really need anything, but you want to give them something that's a little bit more personalized. I think it's a really good idea. A lot of people like to paint mugs and give them as Christmas gifts. Grandmas, grandpas, moms, dads, aunts, uncles, like cousins, friends, and if you like paint something on it that is like directly related to your relationship with them or something that they really enjoy, I think they're really gonna love it. So a few weeks ago, I posted a video of me trying a Lore DIY craft kit, and I think this would make a good gift for anyone that's a little bit younger on your Christmas list. If you know that they watch Lore DIY and you know that they like crafting, they're definitely gonna love one of these kits because they're definitely geared towards more so like a younger audience, especially like the plushy ones. Those are really great for younger kids because the cutouts are already done and stuff like that. And they're also really affordable. They're like 20 bucks. And I mean, like for a DIY kit that's gonna keep your kid busy for a little while, and they're gonna have like something at the end that they can have or play with or just put on a shelf to look at. I think it's a really good gift, and it's gonna also like give them something to do. Also, it's good to support YouTubers because Team Internet. And the last gift that I'm gonna share with you guys today is for your makeup lovers. I know makeup can be so expensive, especially like the brand name stuff, but if you check out Sephora, Sephora actually has a couple of different like gift sets. I picked up this Benefit one for like 20 bucks. It has like a large mascara and 2 like sample size products. I think that's like the perfect thing to give someone that really loves makeup. If you don't know what they have, like getting some like sample size stuff I think is a really good thing, because if they don't have it, they can try something new, or if they do have it, they just have like a little mini one that they can carry around with them. These can get pretty pricey, but they do have some cheaper options as well for all my budget friendly friends. So that is everything on my holiday gift guide for affordable items for you guys. If you guys want to see another holiday gift guide, maybe one for him, one specifically for her, I don't know. If there's anything in particular you guys want to see for holiday videos in general, just give me a shout down below, because there's like, I have a few planned, but then there's also some I'm just like, should I do this? Should I do that? I don't really know. So to see if we're on the same page, just leave a comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna have some Christmassy Instagram posts coming up for you guys, as well as Vlogmas on my vlog channel linked up here. I have Snapchat, Twitter, a Facebook page, all that stuff. If you're ever looking for me on social media, it's just @FallonFraser, so feel free to check me out. You guys know what I look like if you're watching my videos, so you can find me easily. And with all that being said, I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to the holidays, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new holiday video.